Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's Stacy here. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. And obviously in this video we're going to be talking about moringa tea. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I use moringa tea to maintain healthy hair and promote hair growth. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching the video till the end. So to make this tea, I'm using the organic moringa leaves tea by Evergreen. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I just love this particular brand of moringa tea. So yeah, that's what I'm using. And just like you make tea, you're going to place the tea bag into a cup and then pour in some hot water. You can use any number of tea bags that you want. So yeah, later on I added one more tea bag and some hot water just because I needed more of the tea to use for my hair and also to drink some. I usually let the tea infuse for 2 hours before I use it. And so when it's ready to be used, I just get my spray bottle and pour half of it into my spray bottle to be used on my hair, and then I'll drink the other half. So to ease pouring into the spray bottle, I'm just going to use this measuring cup to help me pour it easily into the spray bottle. So for those of you who don't know, moringa is known as a miracle tree which contains more than 90 nutrients and 46 antioxidants. It is said to have 7 times more vitamin C than in oranges, 15 times more potassium than in bananas, 17 times more calcium than in milk, 10 times more vitamin A than in carrots, and 4 times more protein than in eggs. Moringa has a lot of benefits. You can go do your own research, but just know it's very healthy. If I want to cover all the benefits, we will not be able to finish this video today, so it's going to be a very long video. So just go Google it, do your own research, and incorporate it into your hair and skincare routine, whatever routine you want to include it in. So yeah, this is how I use it on my hair, guys. That's what low porosity hair looks like. The water just slides down, it doesn't even get in. So yeah, I just apply it to my hair and then walk it through as you see me do, and then I'm just gonna twist it up and repeat the process. Now let's look at some of the benefits of moringa for our hair. So moringa strengthens our hair, it reduces shedding. I shared on Instagram I had many twists for like a month, and I took it down and I had very minimal shedding, and I got a lot of requests, people asking me like, what did you use? So yeah, it's the secret. This is what I use. Like I just spritz this on my hair like every evening and then twist it up like what I'm doing now. So yeah, this will help a lot with shedding. It also promotes hair growth and helps the hair retain its color. The vitamin C and E found in moringa fights free radicals that could weaken the hair and cause it to turn gray. So moringa fights premature graying. Do well to do your research. There are many more benefits of moringa for the hair. Do your research and find a way to include it in your hair regimen. It's gonna help you a lot. Let me know in the comment section below if you've used moringa on your hair before, or if you're going to try it out, and let me know what your results were or what your results are. So yeah, I will be waiting to hear from you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. Hit the subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I have a lot of great videos coming your way and you don't want to miss that, so make sure you're subscribed. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.